Need a cool breakfast idea to start off your day? I've got one just for you, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Let's go do it. Woo! Hey everybody. David, aka RVJedeye. Hope you are enjoying all of the content that comes here right on the RVJedeye channel. Make sure you subscribe, click the link and the alarm, the little bell there, and it'll let you know when any new video is coming out, and I hope you enjoy it. You know, outside it is a little gray and overcast right now. It is early in the morning, and that's okay. It's going to be a great day, I know it. But to start that day off, we have to do some breakfast. And today, I'm going to show you a very easy and very delicious breakfast treat. It is a chorizo hash, something that you can do in your RV or at home. I hope you like it. Let's get started. Now, the key to this meal, having a fine dice that is consistent with all of your mise en place, or as my niece and nephew like to say, the stuff you have to cut up before you start to cook. Everything needs to be pretty close together in terms of size so that you can use it and put it into the pan and it all cook at an even rate. So the mise en place is now ready to go. It's time to get it in the pan and start cooking it down. So into your warm pan, you want to add about a tablespoon of olive oil and then a tablespoon of butter. You want to mix that together, swish that around the pan and get that nice and melted. Then to that, I'm going to add one chorizo sausage. I like to take it out of the casing and I'll just squeeze that in to the melted butter and olive oil. Want to start that rendering so you get all of that great chorizo fat and juice that comes with a great sausage. Then I add in my potatoes, which I have par cooked in a microwave, and start stirring everything up. The potato and the chorizo sausage are melding together, cooking up, and that's great. You can smell it from here. That's also when you want to start to add in your mise en place, and that's all of the green vegetables, the onions, the peppers, the tomatoes, and everything that you want to put in your hash. After that, you want to add in your dry ingredients, and for us, that's going to be rosemary, some garlic, some sriracha salt, some pepper, turmeric, and paprika. And then you want to mix all of that up and then cover it and let it cook for a little while. Now this is when you have to have patience with this meal. It's real easy to see everything cooking up and say, let me just take this out of the pan. But what you want to make sure is that the potatoes get really nice and soft. So you want to let that cook for a while until everything gets to the right consistency before you start to plate it up. The hash is ready, time to get it off the stove. I like to then cook my eggs right in the same pan so I get a little of that residual flavor left over in the eggs. And I'm gonna put it on top of the hash, plate it all up, and it's time to eat. And there you have it, chorizo hash and eggs. Let's try it. I use a little sour cream on here too, and it just adds to it. I love how all of the flavors meld together and just make a great hash. I'm going to put a link to how I do this in the show notes underneath. And of course, make sure you follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye. And then of course, you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Go out there, enjoy yourself when you're RVing. No need to eat poorly on the road, as you can see here. You can chef it up wherever you are. Go out and have a great day.